Yes, it is.
Good morning, one and all, and thank you for this opportunity for giving this time for me to speak. I'll be talking on incidence and risk factors of retinopathy uh, in a tertiary care hospital in South India. I have no financial disclosures to make. As you know that ROP is a vasoproliferative disorder of the retina, which affects mainly the premature and the low birth weight babies, and it is multifactorial in origin. And globally, it is seen that there are 1.26 million blind children. In India, there are 280,000 blind children as of now. And number of preterms have increased over time, which is more than 3.5 million per year. And India accounts for more than for about 10% of blindness due to ROP. The incidence of ROP in India varies between 20 to 51%, and the babies that require ROP management in a year is about 20,000. Aims and objectives is to determine the incidence of ROP in a tertiary care center in South India over a decade, to study the risk factors associated with retinopathy of prematurity. It was a retrospective chart review which was done between January 2010 and December 2019. And the babies that were included were less than 1,500 grams at birth or at gestational age less than 32 weeks. And ROP screening was done by the 4 specialists that included pediatric ophthalmologists and the retinologists. Fundus examination was done with the indirect ophthalmoscopy using 20 diopter lens and scleral depression. And ROP staging was recorded according to the international classification of the ROP, and those required treatment were done with laser photocoagulation according to UT-ROP study type 1. And we use anti-VEGF in babies in which the lasers were not possible due to media haze or due to NVI. We gathered the data and entered into Epidata and analyzed the data using SPSS software. We use univariate and multivariate analysis. And the number of babies that was screened was 1,797, out of which 269 babies had ROP with an incidence of 14.96%. And number of babies that required treatment was 6. This is a table showing the prevalence over the years of 10 years, how the prevalence was there. When we started in 2010, it was 32.32%, and then in 2019, it was 8.92%. So the mean birth weight of the babies who had ROP was 1,105 grams, and the mean gestational age in weeks was 29.53. And as you can see, the p-value was quite significant, as they were significantly associated with ROP. So the number of babies that were in different stages of ROP was 238 in stage 1, 214 in stage 2, and stage 3 had 30 babies, and 1 baby with 1 eye had stage 4. So number of eyes treated were 11. All of them were treated with laser photocoagulation, and injection Avastin was given, as I told, in which there was media haze and a laser could not be done. And 1 eye required scleral buckle as well, which was stage 4A. So we analyzed all the risk factors and did a univariate analysis of the risk factors, which included resuscitation at birth, and then transit tachypnea of newborn, staphylococcal infection, enterococcal sepsis, anemia, thrombocytopenia, ABO incompatibility, hyponatremia, hypoglycemia, hyaline membrane disease, aspiration pneumonia, pulmonary edema, acute renal failure, oxygen dependency, and CPAP. And all that was significant here with a p-value of 0.05 were taken into account into multivariate analysis. And on multivariate analysis, these are the risk factors which came as significant with a p-value. Anemia with 0.002, thrombocytopenia, which is quite highly significant, hyponatremia, acute renal failure. Whereas resuscitation at birth or CPAP did not show a significant p-value on multivariate analysis. So our study showed a low incidence of ROP, hence a less treatable ROP. And the risk factors which were significantly associated with ROP were anemia, thrombocytopenia, hyponatremia, and acute renal failure. So the incidence compared to the other studies that were done in India, our study showed incidence of 14.96%, whereas the other centers, it varied between 21 to 51%. Thrombocytopenia, which was also associated significantly with ROP in our study, showed 26.3%, which is comparable to the other centers and places which was done. Hyponatremia we saw was 26.2% association with ROP, which was comparable to the other studies done in Korea and US. Anemia also again 24.6% incidence and association with ROP. It was also comparable to the other study done in India. The limitations of our study was that it was a retrospective study and there was a homogeneous population of inborn babies, so might not be a true representative of the prevalence in the community.
With all due respect, doctor, I guess it's your time up. Would you please sum up in the next 30 seconds?
Yeah, inborn conclusion, if there was an inborn babies, therefore prevalence is likely to differ. Etiology and risk factors for ROP is heterogeneous in different parts of the country, and good neonatal care facility reduces ROP and hence blindness. So these are my references, and thank you for your kind attention.
Thank you, doctor. Any question from the panelists and the chair?
Yeah. You have shown in your study that over the years, the prevalence of ROP has reduced. So were you able to identify any factors responsible for that?
Not really. Only thing which I could think is maybe the good neonatal care and the numbers that we screened increased over time. So probably the incidence, it could go either way. It could have increased our incidence prevalence, or it could have decreased it also. But I think it is the neonatal care and facility that had shown this decline in prevalence.
I think if you look into these and if you are able to pinpoint few things, that would be probably an important thing which you can write as a paper, because that has clinical relevance and you could spread the message as how the incidence is reducing.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you, sir.
Did you do a sort of trend analysis, like in how the risk factors have changed or evolved, say in the first part of the decade and the second part of the decade, something like that?
We are still, I have not still completed the analysis completely. There are a few factors. That's why I was not able to do it. So I'll definitely look into that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.